Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your notification ringtone. So guys, it's actually pretty easy to do, so let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you guys are going to want to do on your device is you guys want to actually open up your settings, and then you guys are going to want to scroll all the way down until you go to sounds and vibration, which is right here. Click on that. You guys can scroll down to where it says ringtones. And so if you guys want to change, for this video I'm doing changing the notification tone. So what you guys can do is actually click that, and you guys can change it to whatever you want. So let's just say you guys want something else like this. So all you guys have to do is click that, and then now it's already set. So you guys can come out and you guys can see it's set to the one that you just chose. So guys, that is it for this video. If you guys have any other tutorials you guys want me to do, let me know in the comments down below. With that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.